How are you all? Fine?
Fine.
How was your day? Good?
Good.
Okay. My name is Sendil Kumar. I am working as a HSC officer. Today I am here to present to you hazards and precautions related to hand and power tools. Let me say you about the aims and objectives of this hand and power tools. Aim: to provide awareness on hand and power tools hazards, and to provide information on safe using hand and power tools. And the objectives is, by the end of this course, you will learn how to identify hazards related to hand and power tools, and also take precautions for using hand and power tools. Let me get into the subject. Hazards. What is hazard? Can anyone please tell what is hazard?
Any dangers
for livelihood.
for life?
Yes. Correct. What you said is absolutely correct. Anything that has a potential to cause harm. Workers using hand and power tools may be exposed to these hazards. And what are the hazard is objects that fall when using, and objects that can fly when using hand tools, or abrasive or splash. Frayed or damaged electrical cords, hazardous connections, and improper grounding. For these power tools, if you are using a damaged power tools like damaged electrical cords and improper connection and improper grounding, it is hazard, correct?
Yeah.
Basic hand tool safety rules. In hand tools, what are the basic safety rules? Maintain regularly. We should maintain our tools regularly. If you are having a mobile phone and if you are not using it properly, you think, oh, I purchased it for 150 kd, I have to maintain it. It is your own, right?
Yeah.
You should think in the same way you are using the tools. You may think that it is company, they will give you another one. No, it's not like that. If you are not using the tools properly, you will get into the injury or accident. Inspect before use. Operate according to manufacturer's instruction. Use the right personal protective equipment, PPE. It is the main thing when using hand tools. Because people sometimes using this hammer or chisel, they feel uncomfortable to use the chisel hammer because they cannot hammer it on using some chisels. So what the people will do, they will not use gloves. So you instruct on the people to use gloves even when they are using hand tools. It may be not a big hazard, but it is hazard, correct? Hand tools hazards. Hazards are usually caused by misuse and proper maintenance. Don't use impact tools, tools with loose, cracked or splinter handles, a screwdriver as a chisel. Some people use screwdriver as a chisel, you know. They will be using hammering. Oh, I have to go there, I have to run there, my work is going on. I have to go there and search the chisel. Oh, I am having this, I can use like this. Like
Even
that.
they don't have hammer,
Yes.
they will use the wrench
Correct.
to
Yes.
hit it.
Yes.
Even they don't have screwdriver, they are using a knife
Knife.
to
Yes,
open.
correct. Sometimes it's having in construction site also.
Yes, yes.
And hand tools protection. Use PPE. Keep floor surface when working free from debris and tripping or slipping hazard. Power tools. It must be fitted with guards and safety switches. If you are using power tools, for example, take a grinding machine and it has some cover, right? If you are not using with the cover, the wire will be exposed outside. And people, if you are touch with the wires, it may have electrical shock, correct? So it should have a proper guard. Extremely hazardous when used improperly. If you are not using, as I said before, if you are not using the tools properly, there is a problem. Different types determined by their power source: electric, pneumatic, liquid fuel, hydraulic, and power actuated. Power tools precautions. Disconnect tools when not in use. If you are not using the tools, disconnect it from the power source. Because some people, they may not know that it is connected. They simply get, hey, take this one. They will press the button. It is on. Then keep tools clean. Consider what you wear. Loose clothing, jewelry can get caught into moving parts. When using moving parts, the main hazard is loose things. If you are using, sometimes people will be using the badge. For example, I am using this one. if I am going to some machine parts and if it's fell down, I get stuck into the machines, correct? So don't use any loose parts attached with your bodies.
Even the loose coverall.
Yes, correct. And I want to make sure that I have given you the information. I want some things get back from you peoples. So, what are the basic hand tools safety?
Proper hand gloves.
Correct.
And
Goggles.
use
Excellent.
Maintenance.
Regular
Proper
inspection.
grounding to be done.
Yes, yes. What are the things to check when using power tools?
Check
power
it's
tools.
working properly.
Check it is insulated.
Correct.
Manufacturer instruction.
Manufacturing. Good. Summary. Hence, hazards are usually the result of improper tool usage and maintenance. Inspecting the tool before use, using PPE, using guards, properly storing the tool, and using safe handling techniques. Any questions?
You wrapped well in time.
Sure. Thank you. Any questions, sir? Anything else? If you have any questions, you can. This is my side. And this is my mobile number. You can ask me, if you have any doubts, you can ask me not only related to this topic, you can also ask me any topics if you have doubts. I will share with you. If I don't know, I will ask with someone, one of my colleagues, they will tell you. Okay? Thank you all.
Thank you.
Do it safely or not at all. There is always a time to do it safely.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.